In this video, we're comparing Klaviyo versus HubSpot. Links to the best deals are in the description. Let's get started. Ease of use and setup. Klaviyo is built for online stores and connects fast. You link it to Shopify or WooCommerce, and it instantly pulls in your store data, like what people buy and look at. The setup is designed so you can start sending emails that make money right away. Now, HubSpot is a much bigger tool that does almost everything. It handles marketing, sales, and customer service all in one place, which means setting it up takes more time and effort. You might need to spend time learning how to connect all the different parts before it feels smooth. Verdict: Klaviyo is plug and play for stores. HubSpot is build your whole business system. Design, templates, and customization. Klaviyo's templates are made for selling products. You can easily drag and drop product blocks to show customers exactly what they looked at or left in their cart. It's very flexible if you want to make your emails look like your online shop. Now, HubSpot has good templates, but they often look a bit more corporate or business-like. You can customize them, but it takes more work to make them look as flashy as the top retail brand's emails. Verdict: Klaviyo wins for selling products. HubSpot wins for general business emails. Features and functionality. Klaviyo is laser focused on e-commerce. Its new AI features help you create campaigns in minutes and answer customer questions instantly. It also has a new service tool that lets support agents see exactly what a customer bought while they talk to them. Now, HubSpot is an all-in-one powerhouse with its new Breeze AI. It manages your entire relationship with a person, from the first time they visit your site to when they sign a sales contract. It's great for sales teams because it tracks calls, meetings, and deals, not just online orders. Verdicts: Klaviyo wins for online stores. HubSpot wins for sales teams and B2B. Pricing. Klaviyo's pricing is based on how many contacts you have. There's a free plan for up to 250 contacts, and then paid plans start around $20 a month and go up as you grow. You may pay more as you get more successful, which is fair and easy to understand. Now, HubSpot has a cheap starter plan around $15 a month, which is a great deal. But be careful. If you need advanced features like automation, the price jumps hugely to over $800 a month, plus a steep onboarding fee. Verdict: Klaviyo scales smoothly. HubSpot has a cheap entry, but a steep jump. Support and reliability. Klaviyo offers email support for the first 60 days on the free plan. Then you need to pay. On paid plans, you get email and chat support to help you fix issues quickly. HubSpot offers email and chat support for all paid users. If you're on the professional plan or higher, you also get phone support. They also have a massive library of free courses and a huge community that can help you solve almost any problem. Verdict: Klaviyo is solid for paid users. HubSpot wins for learning resources. Final verdicts. So, if you run an online store and want to sell more products, Klaviyo is the best choice. It connects deep into your store's data and uses AI to help you sell without extra work. Now, if you run a service business or have a sales team that needs to track deals and calls, HubSpot is the winner. It keeps your marketing, sales, and service teams all on the same page. All right, I hope you found this video helpful. The best way to support the channel is to use the links in the description to sign up to either Klaviyo or HubSpot. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.